Hello guys, namaste, feel the heart. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a wonderful time and a very joyful Hindi learning time. This is a very short video and I just wanted to give you a very quick information, or I say news, that me and another Hindi teacher from Moscow, Anya, we have been experimenting for a while how we can do group discussions over certain topics, a new way we're trying to figure out. So the fear in people of speaking Hindi, in front of other people. We know the language, we understand the language, but a lot of time we cannot speak. We have certain fear inside us. We're trying to strike them down and we're doing some experiment around it. So we are letting students to speak and we're doing kind of group conversation. So we are motivating each other, we are uplifting each other and also helping same time, because I will be also there and Anya will be also there. So this is a small experiment we have been conducting for a while, and I'm announcing now publicly we are conducting this first group discussion for absolute beginners and also for intermediates. We have very few seats available for tomorrow's group discussion, which is going to be 4 o'clock for the absolute beginners and 5:30 for intermediates who can already speak and form sentences. So depending on your level, you can enroll in any of the course. We have very few seats available, not much than 5-6 I think in each group. So please, if you want to participate, everything is given in the description box below. Read and apply. This is a paid service because it involves a lot of work and we all have to make our living. So and the price will be $7 per student per session. Let me know you are interested to be the part of this experiment. You can send me an email, anil@languagestown.com, or you can just comment below. I'll revert you back, or you can hit me up in any social media, Facebook or Instagram, anywhere. Okay, so I wish you all the best and see you tomorrow. Namaskar.